What is going on, guys? JT43 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to put fake carbon fiber overlay stickers on your Scion TC emblem. Now this will fit a 2011 to 2016 Scion TC. A lot of you might think it's kind of ricey, but I think it adds a nice touch, especially to the back. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick these up. They have all sorts of different colors. They got pink, purple, orange, you know, anything like that. So if you have like a color focused build, these will definitely add to that. I went a little basic and I went with the, I just went with the black carbon. I think it looks good. I think it looks cool. They have regular carbon, but I think the black one fits the most. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to put these on. Okay, so it's super simple. All you're gonna do is just find something to wipe, like a rag or maybe a paper towel. If you wanna get crazy with it, you'd get a microfiber, but you don't really need a microfiber for this. But all you're really gonna do is just clean out the insides of your emblem. So it's all cleaned up. And so what I'm gonna do is you have it comes in a 4-pack. So you got 1, 2, and then it comes with another layer with 2 more. So if you mess up, you can always use the other one. But it's pretty simple. We're pretty much gonna do sticker by sticker and just kind of match it up to the layout. So this sticker would go here, this sticker would go here, this sticker would go here, and this one would go here. It's pretty simple. You can't really fuck it up. And I'm just gonna start applying the stickers. So I'll start with this one first. So I'll carefully peel it. You don't want to bend or crinkle these stickers because then it won't look good on the emblem itself. Just want to match pretty much the overlay here. Okay, so just like that. So it was a little hard to see. So there's a little edge right here that you kind of have to, see, I just did an oil change, excuse my dirty ass fingers. But there is a little drop right here that you have to put it into. So this kind of little slit right here, like where it goes down, you kind of have to feed it in and then press onto it. So it's not like a direct stick on. You have to kind of put it inside of down here and then kind of stick it on. I'll show you in the next example. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. And so far it already looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. So I got my second sticker here and I'll show you to a T what I'm doing here. So instead of just completely overlaying it, you have to kind of drop it into the, into the emblem. So I'm trying to get it into the groove right now, just like that. And then once you have it into the groove where you can move it up and down like that, then you wanna match it up to where it needs to go. So just like that. And there we go, that looks good. It all matches too. But yeah, that's looking good. All right, now we just have to do the 2 bottom. So this one, same thing. You're kind of just gonna drop it in there. But you wanna make sure that it lines up. That's what I fucked up on the last one. But yeah, pretty much like that. And then you stick it on like that. Yep, just like that. And you can see it's starting to look really good, actually. I mean, I'll fix this after the video, but yeah, it's starting to look really good. Let me get the last one done. So I'll go ahead and simply just find it into the groove. There we go. That's where I wanted it to go. So yeah, and then what we're gonna do is once you have them all, I would just kind of come back and push them down so that they can really adhere to your emblem. This is what the front's looking like, and it already looks a lot, I'm not gonna lie, it already looks kind of cooler. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and do the rear. Okay, so this is kind of what I was talking about when I was talking about how the rear is paint matched. So the front was all black in between, but this one is all gray. So just like the front, we'll go ahead and clean it up a little bit because you want that sticker to adhere to a nice clean surface. that is looking a lot cleaner. I don't even know if you could tell on camera, but I hope you can, because yeah, it is pretty. Oh yeah, you can see that. Yep. All right. But here we go. So we will go ahead and basically put the stickers on. I'm gonna start off with the top right. See if I can get that going. Let's see. So just like the front, drop it in. There we go, just like that. Got the first one in. So just like before, I'll feed it in. Might have to go to the top here, but I'll feed it in like that. Push it in, just like that. I think it's already looking cool. You got the split, you got the carbon. Well, fake carbon. It's not real carbon. I'm not gonna sit here and just, but fake carbon, and then color match. I think the carbon looks cool. And so next we will do the bottom left. So once again, I'll feed it in. And then I'll line it up. And then once I got it, I will stick it on like that. All right, and now I'll do the top left. There we go. Got that last one on. It put up a little bit of a fight because there is a double sticky in here that I guess the previous owner used to put this emblem on. So I had to get over that, but I think it looks really good. But anyway, if you did enjoy the video, or if this helped you out in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.